Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your edges, you know, because I just think it makes your hair look 10 times better. I don't know, like it really just does something. Subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and yeah, let's get into the video.
I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it.
Okay, so what I use for my edges is Got2b glue. Ooh, beauty guru. I just have this thing that I got from like, probably Ulta or something, like they're just there. And I thought they were good for my edges, so that's what I use too. And then I have like this eyebrow brush. I have this comb. So yeah, I use all those. And then I use some hairspray and just a brush and detangler spray just to take out those knots. So first you're just gonna brush your hair. And really you could do like any hairstyle you want with edges. Like you could do a bun, or you could do like down, or you could just do anything really, like a braid, 2 braids. It really doesn't matter. But today I think I'm just gonna do my hair back like I always do and do edges on both of the sides right here. So first you're just gonna part your hair however you're gonna part it. And what I do, I just like pin my hair back, but I'm not doing it like super good because later I'm gonna fix it. Hi guys, so I decided to make a voiceover because I was being way too quiet. But anyways, the first thing that you want to do is get some gel. Then you're just gonna put it on your hair, obviously, and you're just gonna get your brush, hold down your hair and swoop up with your brush. You're just gonna keep on doing that until you get the right shape that you want. But work fast because the gel that I use dries pretty quickly and it's gonna be harder and harder to work with it if it's dry. And right here I just got a comb to make the line a little bit straighter, so I just swooped up and then I just held down the hair and brushed the rest down to make the line a little bit more nicer. So yeah, doing your edges is that simple and easy, and just enjoy these next clips of me finishing my edges. So here I just redid my ponytail because it was looking a little bit loose and ugly. So yeah, once you're done putting your ponytail back, what I do is just get some hairspray and I just spray and cover my face because you don't want to get it on your face because that's not good. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this helped you. I know I kind of suck at explaining things. I might do a voiceover, but yeah, this is the final result. I don't really like how it looks because, I don't know, I feel like I've done better. But yeah, once you get the hang of it, you start doing it better and better. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next week.